We're heading to Hawaii, to the island of Oahu, and heading over to the west side to Olina Center, where Chef Jerome is going to show us how to make a poke pizza at the Pizza Corner.
We put furikake on the crust, which is seaweed. We cook that off, and then we put a lomi tomato salsa on top, which is a good barrier between the heat and the cold for the poke. Poke is just cubed fish and a sweet and spicy soy vinaigrette right on top. Sesame seeds, green onions, cherry. So this is the crust coming off, and then.
Oh, you know what? I should make a little video of this too. But yeah, go for it. Do your thing.
I've already done an interview about the poke pizza, but not making.
I think we got
Roma tomatoes, onions, cilantro, lime, Hawaiian salt.
The lomi is the hand massage. It makes it.
Okay. Sorry, getting tomatoes all over the place. That's okay.
And what's on the base?
Base is furikake, which is seaweed. We put olive oil in the furikake, cook it off when it comes out. Then we put the lomi tomato salsa, our poke in our special poke sauce, and sesame seeds.
And the poke sauce is sesame oil based, I think, with a whole bunch of other ingredients that Jerome keeps private, and rightfully so.
The mix.
It's his special sauce.
So what is the definition of poke?
Definition of poke is cubed.
Okay.
So anything cubed up is poke.
Okay.
We use ahi.
But in Hawaii, it's just synonymous
general
with
term.
poke and with ahi. Just try to get in here. We give about 12 ounces of fish on here. So you got some nice.
Oh, it's real tasty too. You like poke?
Yeah.
I do. Do you like seafood?
I do. Oh yeah.
Scott, have you ever had poke on pizza?
I have. But not like this.
Not like
Not
this.
in Hawaii, certainly. Oh yeah, now we're talking. With the drizzle?
The drizzle, a little sauce.
Love the drizzle. Love the sesame.
And then you've got extra sauce here.
I see.
And the key to that is, as he says, you got to shake it because you get the heat and the sweet, but you got to shake it up a little bit.
How do these deliver? They're okay.
Sesame
Okay,
seeds.
Yeah, they're much better here like this, especially with some beer.
Yeah. What's the beer to pair with it? What's the best beer to pair with poke
No,
pizza?
what should we do, guys? You want local lagers?
Local would be Heineken. Heineken or Bud Light.
Yeah.
So local
We're
drink.
gonna cut
Yeah,
that
right.
up and we'll go.
Yeah,
back there.
Sounds great.
And the pizza, in a word, was extraordinary. A marriage of the furikake crust, the lomi tomatoes and onions, and of course the poke. What an amazing taste. I dream of this pizza, the poke pizza. If you ever get a chance, head on over to the Pizza Corner at Olina. You will not be disappointed. I know Scott Wiener and his family loved it as much as I did. Thank you, Chef Jerome. Thank you, Frank Mento. And thank you, Scott Wiener and your family. We had a great time enjoying some great pizza. While you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.